In this episode, we'll discuss how custom fields work in both WordPress and ProcessWire. As you saw earlier, we created a hello page, which uses the default template. We can add custom fields to any page by using the custom fields option in WordPress. First, you need to enable these options on the screen by using the screen options here. Once that's enabled, you can scroll down to the custom fields meta box and type in your name and value for the custom field. So let's create a custom field called mood, and let's say we're happy. Now the custom field is saved. You can create more custom fields, and WordPress out of the box gives you the option to choose previous custom fields that you used in the past. As you can see, it uses a simple key value setup, meaning it doesn't matter what kind of content you're entering, you'll always have a text area field here. Let's see how this works in ProcessWire. If we edit the hello page, which uses the basic page template, you can see we have several fields available to us, such as title, headline, summary, body, sidebar, and images. Now, we can add a custom field to the template so that whenever a page is made with the basic page template, that field will be available. So to do that, you first need to go to the fields section, and we want to add a new field. Let's call it mood. It's going to be a text field, and let's give it a proper label. And ProcessWire gives you the ability to add some information describing this field. So let's save that field. And now that the field has been created, we need to actually assign it to the template. So if we go to the basic page template and find the field there and add it to it, we can go ahead and save it. And now if we edit our page, it should be available to us. And there it is. Now in either system, you'll need to edit your template files to display the data of the custom field. But the key difference here is that ProcessWire is built with every field being a custom field. However, WordPress is built whereby the title and the body content and some other fields are the default fields, and then you can add custom fields using the custom fields method. So there's a key architectural difference in how they are handled. Now, of course, WordPress's custom fields functionality is very powerful when taking advantage of its API or by using a custom field creator plugin. I've gone ahead and installed the premium version of Advanced Custom Fields, version 5.0, and it has a lot of options that make it similar to ProcessWire when it comes to creating some very sophisticated custom fields. So I'll go ahead and create that mood field using Advanced Custom Fields, and you can see what kinds of options it gives you. So we want this to only be on the default template. So first let's create the field, call it mood, and we want it to be a text field, and we want some instructions. Is it going to be required? You can put in all these other options which ProcessWire has the equivalent of. And we want to only apply it to the default template like we did with ProcessWire, which was the basic template. So we want to go down to page template and is equal to default template. And we have some other options here as far as placement and so forth, but we can ignore those for right now. If we publish this custom field group and then go to our pages section and edit our hello page, you will see that we now have a meta box that asks us for our mood. And this existing meta box can now be hidden because it's now duplicating the Advanced Custom Fields meta box. So So that is one of many ways of doing sophisticated custom fields in WordPress.